This has been an amazing day. We're here at the great and grand opening of Bicentennial Park. We've got so many different members of our community. We've got our Olympians, our Paralympians, all sorts of folks coming here enjoying what is an incredible Ann Arbor Park.
This is awesome. You know, Ann Arbor has such a reputation of being such a big part of the Olympic and Paralympic movement, and you know, as soon as I pulled up and I saw that this whole area was busting with people, it's really awesome how much the community is excited.
We started off as kids with, you know, passions for different sports and the curiosity to see what we could do, and we kept going and pursuing those passions. And so to be here together and to connect through sport and culture, it's really special. And I see a connection and a parallel between this and the Olympics and the Paralympics. The Olympics and Paralympics are on a global scale. What we're doing today is on a local scale. It's kind of pulling everything together.
To have a place like this where it's flat, it's level, I can easily roll my chair around, there are no barriers anywhere. And that's rare in our society. And so I can come here and feel truly able to do anything anybody else can.
You know, I am a physical medicine and rehabilitation doctor for kids, so accessibility is really a big part of what I do in my professional life. And to see so many features here, I was just looking at the communication board. It's amazing. It really just speaks that this park welcomes everyone, and we can get everyone out playing, moving their bodies, which is really the core of what I do in medicine.
Another aspect of Bicentennial Park is its sustainability. It's powered by solar. It is extremely water efficient. Normally splash pads of this kind would use 15 million gallons a year. We use 15,000 gallons a year. It's a splash pad that's sustainable, universally accessible, and a giant bucket of fun.